Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. In the right section, on the other hand, we have to tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings, and here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset Network Settings if you're ready, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.